Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about the Shiba Inu competitor number 2. It's known as Flocky Shiba. Launched a few days ago, we'll see the stats and let's see what this coin is all about. It's basically based on the meme coin, that's for sure. So if you see the chart, it was released just yesterday and the price rose very quickly. Obviously it is very less, so we cannot say it in numbers, like it's very less than 1,000 or millionth of a dollar. But the interesting part is that in just one day the volume reached to $11 million. That's a really uh, good sign. A lot of money invested just in one day. Also, the diluted market cap is at $75 million. Now, this large of a diluted market cap just on the day of launch says that people are interested in investing in this coin. Let's explore this coin in detail. So, the birth of Flocky Shiba. So, it's a meme token just like we have Dogecoin, and right now it can be found on BSC Scan, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Pancakes, CoinSniper, DappRadar, Nomics, Blockfolio, and Nomics. So let's talk about the rewards. So you'll get a 5% reward, and the total supply is I think 100 quadrillion, and more than I don't know 50,000 billions have been burned. So Flocky Shiba is a cute but with a lot of bite. So it's a deflationary coin designed to become more scarce over time. That means every time you trade, a number of coins are burnt so that there are no other people holding that coins. All holders of Flocky Shiba will be earning more Flocky Shiba that is automatically sent to the wallet by simply holding the coins in your wallet. That's a really good feature. Watch the amount of Flocky Shiba grow in your wallet as all holders automatically receive a 5% fee from every transaction that happens in the Flocky Shiba network. So the more transactions that happen, the more you are rewarded. That's basically just like some other tokens which were released a few days ago. And right now they have done the core development, the marketing is done, airdrop is done. They have been integrated with CoinGecko, Trustwallet, and DappRadar. Now the stage 2 will be to establish a partnership network that is bound to make Flocky Shiba conquer the crypto sphere. Well, they have some high achieving goals, and they will be doing the CEX listing. Then they'll be launching their FSheepSwap DeFi platform beta, and final launching. That will be happening in the stage 3. And they have their own Reddit forum, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, and their white paper. So if you want to guys read the white paper, it's available on their official website. You can read it right here. Launched in June 2021, fastest growing cryptocurrency of its kind. And then we have all the other things right here, ecosystems, the protocols, and every other thing. So I'll leave it up to you to read it or not, but this was a short video introducing the Shiba Inu killer number 2, the Flocky Shiba. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. Give this video a like, comment down below how many Flocky Shibas you are planning to buy, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon next to it so you'll get notified every single day I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.